What's good, guys? It's your boy Mad Mike, and on today's episode I just finished ripping out the two seats in my Pontiac Fiero Kit Car, and we're going to try to install the two new red ones I have and see how they look. So this was a real pain in the butt to do. These seats were corroded, the bolts were rusted in, as you can see here. That's one of the rear studs, and it just kept stripping and spinning. So I managed to bust the stud loose. I'm gonna have to weld some new ones in. The front wasn't too bad, but then what I had to do was I had to grab a pry bar, stick my pry bar in here, wedge the seat up, bend the seat to be able to get at the back screw. But I managed to get all three bolts off. I had to do the same to the driver's side. And we're ready to try installing the new red ones and see what we gotta do for sliders. See if I gotta make a new track or what I have to do. Step one is to make sure that they even fit. So let's go ahead and pull out these two old seats and see what the new red ones look like. And pull out the driver's side. I already got all these bolts loose. Here's a pain in the butt yesterday. I didn't want to bore you guys with all that work, but got it finally out of the car. Carpet's actually looking like it's in pretty good shape. Might rip all the carpet out and give it a good blast and let it all dry out. But yeah, carpet looks like it's in good shape. Let's go ahead, pull the driver's side out. Awesome, guys, we did it. I managed to get both the seats out. Took a little bit longer than I expected. It was kind of a pain in the butt. All the bolts were rusted in, so I used a ton of penetrating oil, and I'm gonna have to do some welding to make those brackets, so I'll have to weld in some new studs, and I want to make sure that the seats are securely held in place so it's safe. So let's go ahead, install the two new red seats just temporarily to see how they look. I'm gonna be super careful because I don't want to scratch them, so I'm gonna be super careful. Let's go ahead and put in the seats. Well, guys, those look so good. Check that out. With all the black, they really match everything really good. I'm really happy with that. I would consider that a job well done. Way better than those two old black leather seats. In my opinion, if you got a kit car and you got stock Fiero seats in there, you can tell instantly it's a kit, and it just ruins the entire kit. So whenever I build the kit car, I always upgrade the seats because it changes the car dramatically. Look at it from the back side here too. Coming up behind the car, it looks way better. Like I still gotta level out the seats and put the slides in, but they're just sitting there rough right now. Gonna have to weld up some brackets just to raise them up and to attach to my stock studs, but that's not a big deal. I like fabbing stuff, so that'll be fun. But yeah, seats are in. They look good with the black carpet and everything. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my center console. Might fab up a custom center console and do some red stitching or carbon fiber. But yeah, interior's coming together. Let's see how comfortable they are. Oh, way better. 10 times better. Man, that is sick. A little bit higher too, which I like. I felt a little too low with the stock seats in here. Wicked. Nice. That is comfortable. Just got to clean the glue off the headrests from where the guy had the old M3 emblems and make some custom sliders. But let's get back to all the bodywork because I want to get this car into paint. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the stock seats and use them for when I'm painting the car. That way I don't rip these or get them covered in overspray or get them dirty. But it's good to know that these are fitting quite well, not rubbing on anything here, and they look awesome. So yeah, we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.